Hey everyone, it's Brian here. Today I'm coming on to do a quick little VR for Liz the Paper Project here on YouTube. I will be listing her channel link down below in the description box, and also the video in which she's doing this giveaway. I'll be listed in the description box below as well, and as well as the video that I got this idea from. Now this one, she made as like kind of a one sheet wonder slash, maybe like a little mini album type thing. What I did was I used 2 sheets of cardstock, parent cardstock. One sheet was for the cover and spine. It's all in one piece, and the pockets as well. And the other piece was a cut apart sheet, which was 3 inches by 4 inches, which you can see this is one of them here. And then I left, some of them I left 2 pieces intact to make 4x6, because this is a 4 inch wide by 6 inch tall mini album. So the back cut parts are actually pockets. You have 4 of these. So that's what I did. All this made with 2 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock. So I'll link all the stuff in the description box down below this video, and I'm also going to be putting this in my Etsy shop today. In fact, I'll probably be already in the Etsy shop before the video comes out. So be on the lookout for that. I'm probably going to list it at probably about $5 or $6. So if you want it, come get it. So, and there will be more in the shop soon. So, that's all I have for right now. So, I'll see y'all again real soon. And I will be doing a tutorial on this very soon. Hopefully, by the end of the weekend, I'll have a tutorial done. And hopefully, the tutorial will be up by midweek next week. But, I'll see y'all again real soon. Bye.